Today I'm going to share how you can earn $10 in 20 minutes online. Now this is quick, it's easy, and you can earn some really simple PayPal money with this. So in this video what I will do is I will show you the website, I'll show you exactly how this works. This is available worldwide and it's absolutely free to get started with. Now make sure you watch this till the end, because what I will do is I'll go over the website, I'll show you how this works, and then I'll show you how you can go ahead and set everything up. I'll also go and show you some reviews of the website, and then I'll also show you a cool little hack, so basically how you can actually earn more with this website. And down here below you can see these are just some of the different companies that are available to work with on this website. So it's really cool. So let's just go ahead and jump straight into this, and I'll walk you through absolutely everything you need to know of basically how you can start earning $10 in 20 minutes online. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money online, come over to my blog and check out my free members area. All of the things that you see on the screen right now, they're all absolutely free and waiting for you. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School, and welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to share how you can earn $10 in 20 minutes. Now let me be 100% clear with you, this is not $10 every 20 minutes. It absolutely isn't. You can earn $10 and you can earn more for doing 20 minutes of work. So let's just get that clear from the off, because I don't want you thinking, you know, you can go ahead and earn this every 20 minutes, because you can't. It's $10 for 20 minutes of work. So let's jump into this. So we'll go over here, that's my YouTube channel. Let's go to the website. So this is the website, and I'll show you the website and how it works. So what happens here is big companies, and you can see some of the companies along here, they come over to this website here called bettertesting.com. Now what bettertesting.com does is it's exactly how it sounds. They get beta testers for big companies. So these companies here come over to beta testing. Maybe they've got a new app, maybe they want to try something out new on their website or their platform or whatever, and then they're looking for feedback and beta testers to go ahead and take tests and, you know, play around with the website or play around with the app. Then you will earn money for doing so. Now you can see here, real world testing. So this here is for the big companies and clients. This is not the page that you want to be focusing on. I'm just going to give you a run through of this. So you can see on here, they're saying here that they can get targeted audience members and recruit targeted participants easily. And you can see on here they've got over 150,000 users with access to millions of users throughout market research and social networks. If we come down here, we've got generate data and feedback. So this here is all for companies who are looking, like I say, looking to go ahead and get feedback and insights. Now you can see here, these are some of the different testimonials that they've got down here. If you click on here, this is over on their clients page. You can see they've also got many more testimonials from big companies that they've worked with on here. You've got Infusionsoft. This is a huge company who are in the software niche. Sorry, let me go ahead and get rid of this. And there's many more on here, and you can go down and have a look at all of these different case studies and read these if you really want to. So feel free to go ahead and have a look at these different testimonials on here. So how does this work? So the first part is you want to join as a beta tester. So you can literally, it doesn't matter which page you're on, you simply click on join as a beta tester. That will take you through to this page here. Early adopters join the beta tester community. It's a mouthful, isn't it? So sign up. So you literally put in your email, sign up, and then you'll get a confirmation email. You confirm the email, and then you go through the sign up process. So how does this work? So basically you test new apps, websites and hardware, you then complete tasks and give feedback, and you can earn $10 per test or more. So some really important parts to take away from this here is when you're signing up, first of all, be absolutely honest and open about this, because what will happen is you will get invited to go ahead and take part in research groups or focus groups, and basically you will get access to all of these potential ways to earn money based upon your demographics on mobile devices that you use, based upon computers that you use. And look, I went ahead and I found this article here on their frequently asked questions page. How do you apply to become a beta test? sorry, how do you apply for a beta test? And it says here, if we are running a test that requires targeting users that is a good match for you based upon your devices, demographic, interests, etc., we will send you an email inviting you to apply. You then simply follow the instructions and how you can basically get in and apply. So the process will be, you will go ahead and you will sign up and you will be absolutely open and honest about, everything. There's no point in lying, because they'll send you tests or products maybe that, you would have absolutely zero interest in. So go ahead and be open and honest with this. The other tip I would say to you is, if you're looking at earning some extra money with beta testing and simple things like this, go ahead and create a new email account. And then what will happen is, obviously, you'll get emails drop into that new email account and you won't miss this. Because I know people who have signed up to beta testing and other websites, and what happens is they get an invite to go ahead and participate in a testing group or testing out a website or an app, but because it's mixed in with all of their normal emails, they actually miss out on this. So if you're going to go down this route, go ahead, create a simple Gmail account or Hotmail or whatever, and just have this separate to your normal email, and then you'll never miss whenever you get sent one of these beta tests. So if I go back over here, once you've signed up and you go through the process, like I said, this is basically it. You'll be testing new apps, websites, and hardwares. You then go ahead and give your feedback and complete tasks, and you can earn this amount of money here. So if I come over here, this is how do you apply for a beta test. Now over on here, this is on the basically help. So this is the frequently asked questions over on beta testing. I'll drop a link to this down below for you. There's lots of content on here, so you can go through and have a look at absolutely everything on here about, how do you receive more invites, test results, all of this. You can go through and have a look at this, and it's updated all the time. So as you can see here, all of these was updated just over a week ago. So this is a great page if you have any questions for this. It talks about, your payment methods, how do you get paid, when do I get paid, etc., etc. So you can go through and have a look at this. But what I found from doing some research is, depending on the company who you're working with and how long the test or the focus group lasts, it will tell you in the email how long the test will last for and how much you can expect to earn, because every single beta test that you're doing will be very different from one of the previous ones. And I'll show you an example of that here. So not this one here, come down here. So here are some past previous ones. So these here are basically testimonials. So you can see this one here, this Maven Clinic. This recruited women aged 18 to 14 to give them free credits to use on their health and wellness web app. And then you've got another one here. So this was recruiting people in Australia, New Zealand and the South Pacific to test the peer-to-peer cryptocurrency exchange. You've got Bumper Balls. What's that? Bumper Balls download their new game. So you can see on here, there's many different things that you will be going ahead and taking part in and getting access to. So like, for example, this one here, this could have lasted maybe a day, a couple of days. This one here where you was downloading a game and going and playing this could have lasted 20-30 minutes. So there's always going to be different things on here. So you can go ahead and basically just get access to all different things, really. So in terms of research for this, I said at the beginning of the video I was going to show you some tips on how to sign up and then how you can go ahead and earn some money. So before the video, I went ahead and I did some research on this company. The company has been around since 2012 and they recently rebranded to Beta Testing. Now let me go ahead and show you this article, what I found online. So this here is 9to5workonline.com. Now you can see here, originally this article was done the 26th of November 2017, but it then got updated on the 24th of January 2019. So this got updated, 3 months ago now. And you can see here, the website has changed their name from Bird to Beta Testing. So this was the old name for the company, Bird, but obviously now they've rebranded over to this Beta Testing. Now on here, and I'll drop a link to this below for you. You can go ahead and check this out. It walks through, how to become a Beta Testing, how the tests work, and it talks about focus groups, it talks about payment information on here. We've got information about the site, so you can see they've been around since 2012, who the company was founded by. It's a legitimate website to work, the site pays beta testers, etc., etc. Now what I did find on this article, I'm going to try and find this again for you, they shared a tip of how you can basically go ahead and get access to different beta groups even if you haven't been invited. So basically you can go ahead and get involved in more beta testing groups. I think it was here in the payment. Let me go ahead and see if I can find this, because this was really cool. Here we go. This one here. So basically, the company has three forms of payment. So you can be paid by PayPal, or you can choose to receive karma points, which can be later applied to join higher paying focus groups, or you can donate your earnings. So here, what happens is you can obviously get paid in PayPal money, or you can go ahead and choose to get paid out in these karma points. Now, what it says on here is the karma points, if we come down here, so let me show you this, the karma highlights for you. So you can choose to get paid in PayPal money, or you can actually get paid in these karma points. And what you can do here is, you see here, when you've earned 6 karma points, you can use these points to join higher paying focus groups. Even if the group is closed, you'll be allowed to join and be paid for the test. So even if you haven't been invited to go ahead and take a test, if you've collected so many of these karma points, then you can basically exchange them and then go into a new focus group and actually participate in something that you normally wouldn't have been able to take part in. So I think that's really awesome, the fact that you can basically store these karma points and then go ahead and basically use them to hijack or jump or just basically force your way into another focus testing group. So that is pretty much today's video. I'll drop a link to this website here below. You can go ahead and check out this article here. But Better Testing, what was it? Better Testing, yeah, bettertesting.com. They've been around for a number of years. As you can see, they've worked with lots and lots of big companies, so I have no worries or concerns going ahead and recommending this company to you today. So that's enough for the video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please go ahead and give the video a like for me. And as always, if you like really simple, really easy ways to make money online and work from home, then be sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll always literally let you know whenever I've updated with a new video. So that's it for today. Have a great day. Thanks for watching, and I shall see you tomorrow.